How to join Discord servers on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Discord on your device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Discord to the latest version. Now once you open up the Discord, simply log in into your account. Now at the left menu, simply tap on the plus icon. Now tap on join a server. Now tap on the invite link. Now paste your invite link and click on join with invite link. If you want to find public servers, go back to the home screen. Now open up your any web browser. Tap on the search bar. Now type Discord servers. Now click on search and open up the first website. Now you can find all kind of servers on this website. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.